today I'm gonna share with you my sinigang recipe. For the ingredients, gabi, onions, tomato, radish, okra, kangkong, of course, sinigang mix, and our beef. So, first step is, kailangan i-wash yung beef. We need to boil the beef. So, while nagbo-boil yung beef natin, let's cut na the ingredients or the vegetables. Pag malambot na yung beef, pwede nagisahin yung onion, kamatis, or tomato. And then, mash lang natin para lumabas yung flavor. Pag okay na siya, mix na natin siya dun sa beef to boil. And then, add natin yung sinigang mix. So, hayaan na natin siya mag-boil para ma-absorb yung flavors. And then, slowly, mix na natin yung veggies. And then, pag na-mix na natin yung mga veggies, check lang natin ulit if super lambot na ba yung beef. And then, add natin yung kangkong. And then, let it simmer. After simmer, here's our sinigang. Enjoy!